Here's your first look at the new watch faces and changes of watchOS 10. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and I'm going to show you all the new watch faces and changes to complications that Apple is introducing as part of watchOS 10. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into it. So here we are with my Apple Watch Ultra running watchOS 10. When I tap and hold on the watch faces and tap on new, you can see we have the new watch faces category right here at the top. When we jump into here, there are two new watch faces being promoted. There is Palette as the first one and Snoopy as the second one. Let's go ahead and take a look at both of these. Here is the Palette face that I have selected. I'm going to tap and hold on again and go into Edit so we can see our options. There are several different color choices here from the get-go, all these different multicolor options to choose from. You don't have to choose a multicolor option. I think they do look best. So here's the kind of the monochrome ones here towards the bottom. Also, if we go up on the list, these are also one color options, and they just have different hues of the same color mixed in. I think all these multicolored ones, though, these definitely look the best. Aside from that, complications, there are one on each of the four corners, and those are the only customization options for the new Palette watch face. The second watch face that is new is the Snoopy one. So every time that you wake up your watch, there's a new Snoopy animation that you can enjoy. Go ahead and put the watch to sleep. When it's in sleep mode, you can see Snoopy is sleeping here on his dog house here at the bottom. Go ahead and wake the watch up. Boom, there's another animation. You can see those two interacting, pointing at the time. Okay, let's put it to sleep. Wake it up once more. Running out, dancing. How cute. This is such a fun watch face. Like, I could just keep doing this and just seeing all the different animations they've got. So many cool ones for the Snoopy watch face. This is definitely one that people are going to like. And of course, Apple has the tie-in because they have the Snoopy content over on Apple TV. So even better over there. So this is the Snoopy one. When we go into edit this, tap on edit there towards the bottom. And we can choose Peanuts, Peanuts 3. There's all these different versions that you can choose from that shows just the different background styles. We can change the different colors, all the hues just change in the background. Very nice, and that's it. There are no complications for the Snoopy face. But what is nice because of new watchOS 10, you can always scroll from the bottom to get into all of your widgets there. So it's still really easy to get information, even if there are no complications on the watch face itself. There are a couple other changes here with watchOS 10 that we need to address. So if we go over, I know I have it added in here, Astronomy. So you used to be able to scroll the digital crown to change the planet and like the time zones and stuff. That doesn't work now because it just pulls right here into your widgets. So instead, you have to first tap on the moon, or the Earth in this case, and then you can rotate it to kind of change the time zones and the sun's positioning. So you have to tap it first. So just a minor change with that. Then when we go into edit something and we go to the complications, so going here at the bottom, now depending on the watch face, there will be suggested complications. So maybe Wayfinder will have it. Let's see, complications in the corners. Here we have featured complications right at the top that'll fit into the corners before they go into all of the different apps. So new featured complication sections here with watchOS 10. Hey, sorry to pop into you like that, but I'm going to give you a quick tip on how you can save up to $1,200 in combined savings because Apple authorized reseller Adorama is giving exclusive discounts to the Apple Insider audience. Let's take a look at how to do it. All you need to do is find the Adorama deal that you want in the Apple Insider price guide, links in the description, copy the AP Insider code, and click on the Activate Deal button to route to the product on Adorama.com. Don't forget to add AppleCare if you're interested. The extended protection plan is discounted for many Apple products with the same AP Insider coupon code. Step 3, during Step 3 of the checkout, click the link that says, do you have a gift card or promo code? And hint, look for the gift icon. Step 4, enter the AP Insider code and look for your order total to reflect a special coupon discount. Prices in the price guide reflect any instant rebates stacked with a coupon code. That's it. So easy to do. There are hundreds of Macs that are discounted, and there's even some iPads, Apple Watches, and monitors too. Now, let's get back to our other video. So that's it. Those are all the changes coming to your watch face as part of watchOS 10. Whether you have Apple Watch Series 7, Series 8, Apple Watch Ultra, or something else altogether, there's going to be something new. Let me know what you think of the new palette and Snoopy Faces down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And get ready, because watchOS 10 will be released this fall, alongside iOS 17, iPadOS 17, tvOS 17, HomePod Software 17, and macOS Sonoma.